Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen today. Come on in. How you doing? Today we're going to be doing something special. We're going to be doing something good. It's going to be so good you're not going to be able to wait until you can make your very own. That's good. That's a good thing because I'm going to show you how to do it. Then you're going to do it and serve it to your family. Come on, let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. What do we have all grated up here? Ha, you guessed it. Turkey wings. Yeah, I've got some honeysuckle turkey wings here, and I'm going to be making them. First thing I'm going to do is, I don't know where these wings have been, so I'm going to get them down in my sink. And I've got a couple of lemons here, and I'm just going to rub these lemons all over the skin of the turkey wings. I'm going to clean them up real good before I put them on my table. So you just rub the lemon all over the skin, every little portion. So now that I have cleaned those up, what I've done next here is I'm just slicing up some lemon, and I'm gonna run a little bit of water, and I'm gonna let these turkey wings sit in that water for about 10 minutes. So I've got them out of my water, I dried them off, and I've got them here on my cutting board, and I'm gonna begin to get some seasoning on these to make them taste real good. First, I'm putting on some onion powder, or this is actually granulated onion. I like that better than the onion powder. I've got some Mrs. Dash here. Yeah, that onion powder will get moisture in it, and it will begin to clump and just make a lot of lumps in it, but the granulated onion will not. I'm using some Watkins black pepper, and I like quite a bit, so I'm going to be using quite a bit. You don't worry about the ingredients or how much, because I am going to put all that in the recipe. This is some garlic. This recipe, you can find it in the description box. Just click on the link, and you'll get a free printable recipe that you can just print it off and keep it with you. This is paprika that I just put on here, and I am rubbing and massaging and rubbing all of these ingredients into the skin of my turkey wings. And I let them sit for about 10-12 minutes with just the seasoning on it. Now I'm going to get it into my pan. I don't have a lot here, but I'm going to put these 4 that I have into my oven. My oven is preheated at 365 degrees. Now I know that video that you just saw said 350, but I took it on up to 365 degrees, and I let it stay in here for about an hour. And I got them up and out, and while they're piping hot, I mixed together some flour, some water, and the oil that's in the pan, and poured that all over the hot turkey wings. Then I put them back in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. All of that while it's still hot. You can't let it cool off. You got to do it while it's hot. Okay, then here are my wings out of the oven, and don't they look good? That's the way yours is going to look too. Gravy. Now, if you want more gravy, you just use more of the flour and water mixture. All that's going to be in the recipe. If you want less gravy or thinner gravy, then I tell you how to do that too. All in the recipe. So go over there and make sure that you do click on the link to the recipe. Look at this. You know, this is wonderful. Everybody's not having a big Thanksgiving this year. Everybody doesn't have a lot of family to invite over. Sometimes it's just one or just two. And this is a great way to enjoy your Thanksgiving or any good meal when you want turkey without making a whole big turkey and having all of that left over. Look at that rice. This is basmati rice that I have here. And I've got this gravy that's looking good, and I'm already tasting, y'all. I'm sorry. I was trying to give you a little bit more talk about this, but let me start getting into the proof in the pudding kind of deal. Look how tender that is. Look at that. Isn't that the way you want your turkey to look? Oh man, smells so good in here. It is crazy. Just little tender pieces. Yeah, this rice. And that gravy, just like I like it for this kind of dish. Look at there, y'all. You can do this too. Yes, you can. Happy Thanksgiving to me, or happy Sunday, or a happy Wednesday. You can have this anytime. But isn't this good? Get your little cranberry sauce. Make you some dressing with this. This is great for Thanksgiving. I was just thinking about those that may not have a crowd, that might not have a lot of people, may not want to buy a whole turkey. And with the price of food, we don't have anything to waste. So let's just buy what we're going to eat. Those English peas, they're always good, sweet and delicious. Look at this. Look at this. Moist, shiny, delicious. Oh, this makes me so happy. I think I gotta just, oh man, I am going to put this fork down. Let me get this one more rice and turkey here. Then I'm gonna put this fork down and I'm gonna take me some bites like I like to do. Let's see what this is all about, guys. Pick it up, pick it up. Look at that. Don't get no better than that. So good. So good. Yeah, this gets Meso's biggest approval rating, honey. This is a big 10. This is a big old 100. 2 thumbs up, honey. Guys, I want to thank you all for coming by today, checking on me. You wanted to see what I was doing, and you knew that I would be throwing down. I hope that I did not disappoint. The ones of you that are already subscribed to my channel, I want to thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Those that are not, please hit that red subscribe button and also hit the notification bell until parentheses come around the bell. And that way you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. Please give me a thumbs up or a like, because that way that will help to promote my videos. And I sure would appreciate it. Guys, I'm also on TikTok. I am on Instagram. I am on Facebook. I'm Meso making it on all of those platforms, and I would appreciate it if you come by and give me a look-see or give me a little holler. I would really appreciate it, guys. I love you so much. There are so many excellent and wonderful cooks on this YouTube, and you can choose to spend your time with any one of them that you prefer. I am so honored and blessed that you prefer this time to spend your time with me, because you don't have to. I appreciate you so much. Guys, I want to encourage you to love yourself. That way you'll be in a predicament where you can love somebody else. Love yourself first, and then love somebody else by, guess what? Sharing your food. Love somebody with your food. Share your love. Share your food. Yep, that's what I always say. That's what I always love doing. Share my love by sharing my food. Guys, you all be blessed. I thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.